Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm just going to share with you guys one of the most important milestones of my life. So yes! I'm getting married! Oh my god! I'm still shocked and overwhelmed, as in mga 1 week pa lang since the proposal. So sobrang hindi pa rin nagsisink in sa akin na oh my gosh, I'm getting married. So, before I show you guys the highlights of what happened, gusto ko lang ikwento muna yung background ng day ko that day. So, basically, that day kasi, sobrang daming work. As in, plan ko talaga mag-overtime until mga 10, 11 p.m. Tapos, the next day kasi, mag-Hong Kong kami. Ayokong matabunan ako ng work. Marami akong kailangan tapusin kasi nga, mag-vacation leave ako. The night before, nag-text yung brother ni Marc na, wear all white, dinner tomorrow for his daughter's birthday. Yung office mates ko, the whole day, lahat sila, Allysiu, baka magpa-propose na sa'yo si Marc sa Hong Kong. Magpaniyas ka. As in, parang ako, guys, relax. I'm not expecting, hindi talaga. Tapos tawa lang ako ng tawa. Tapos parang sila, Allysiu, bala ka. Basta magpa-gel ka. Ano ba? As in, inaaway na lang. Tapos parang ako, okay. Tapos parang, wala. Wala naman akong time magpa-mani pedi nun eh. So, parang ako, okay. Tawa lang ako ng tawa. And then, that night, nung mga 7 p.m. na, yung office mates ko, pati yung boss ko, pinipilit na ako umuwi. So, parang sila, Allysiu, endorse mo na yan para makapag-pack ka pa. Kasi nga, mag-Hong Kong the next day. So, parang ako, na-pressure din ako and na-stress na ako na parang mga 8 p.m. naka-alis na ako ng office. So, medyo late na. Marc and I met in Brewing Point Dance Studio 11 years ago. So, doon kasi yung birthday dun sa cafe. So, pagdating ko doon, yung sister-in-law ni Marc, nag-aantay sa akin, may dalang damit. So, parang siya, oh, Allysiu, magbihis ka. May anniversary extension celebration kayo. Kasi nga, kaka 5 years lang namin ni Marc eh. So, parang ako, okay, ang weird. So, parang dun pa lang, medyo na-feel ko na. Pero, I didn't wanna accept it. I didn't wanna assume. So, parang ako, okay. Bihis lang ako, tapos natatawa lang ako. Tapos, nung paakyat na ako nasa stairs, yun na, nakita ko na yung pa-design and stuff. So, parang ako, okay, started crying na. Parang ako, oh. So, yeah, you'll see in the highlights in a bit kung ano yung mga nangyari. I just wanted to share this milestone with you guys, and I hope you get kilig and be happy with me. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So, by the way, if you want to know my love story with Marc, next time ikukwento ko siya if ever na make-upan niya ako. Like, fiancé does my makeup, something like that. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy! Bye!
But I can feel him all the time. Memories real enough to touch. Coming back to life. I'm falling back in love. I feel you burning bright. I can feel you, feel you. Can I give you all my heart, all my heart? Can I give you all my heart, all my heart? Can I give you?
Oh my God!
Hi.
Ano sabi mong alam? Oh!
Did you listen to the song?
Yeah.
So the song says, I thank God He gave me you.
Crying?
I don't know how to say that. And you made my life so happy. You gave me direction. Every gathering in our house, you made it so happy. Speak with your laugh, and your loud voice. So I'm looking forward to asking you this question in front of our family, our friends, and our parents. Yeah, Allysiu Alvarez.